Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, to all traders, welcome back to Tradex. And if you're new here, my name is Joe and I'm a full-time trader. Today, I'm going to walk you through a clean live short trade that I'm going to be taking on BTC USD and show you how I executed it using the Tradex entry formula. So let's get into it. So I just entered a sell order on BTC USD on the 15-minute time frame, following my formula as always. And if you want to know what it is, it's linked in the description box below, so you can check it out. It's completely free to check it out, obviously. So now, here's why I took this setup. So first off, I'm going to look at the daily bias of BTC USD. So daily bias for BTC USD today is bearish. Price took out previous day's high and low and still closed bearish. So today I'm expecting price to take previous day's low again. That's where my edge is for today. I actually post this exact daily bias breakdown every single morning on my Discord server, which is completely free. So if you're not there yet, join Tradex right now. The link's in the description box below. It's completely free for you guys to join. And you are going to get so much value and so many resources in that Discord. It's got to be the best traders community existing for free online. So go ahead and check it out. All right, price just triggered my sell order and the first candle looks pretty clean. Solid push down, respecting structure. If it continues, it should probably hit my TP soon. So now I'm not taking this trade just for fun. This is part of the Tradex entry formula, a system that's built around market structure, bias, and confirmation. This isn't some signal group or some indicator that tells you when to sell, when to buy. You're learning why you're entering. It's gonna be you who's learning and why you're entering. And more importantly, how to trust it. And most people just follow signals blindly and they don't understand the risk. That's not trading, that's hoping. This formula works on any time frame, any market, whether you're trading full-time or doing it around 9-to-5 job. And yeah, the one thing that I've changed recently is that I don't force trades anymore. I wait for setups like this, fewer trades, but better results. And that's how I stayed profitable this entire week. But back in the day, I used to overtrade and the result was blowing accounts, which was pretty devastating at that moment. But now I only strike when the market aligns with my strategy, and that is how I capitalize on my trades and become a profitable and consistently profitable trader. So yeah, and now all we have to do is wait and see how this candle reacts. And also, if you're not in our Discord community yet, what are you doing? Just go ahead and join it. It's completely free. I just added Forex and crypto news. For Forex, I'm going to be uploading Forex Factory news, my outlook for the entire week, and it's going to be uploading every single week of the entire week's data. And crypto daily, obviously crypto news is gonna be daily, and there's like too much there. You gotta go ahead and watch it down. So yeah, let's go. Whoa, boom. Full TP hit. Look at that. Look at that now. Man, that was beautiful. Quick, clean, and no drawdown. It didn't even flinch. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is why I let price come to me. Wonderful trade. This candle like hit exactly where I had my target. Today's trade is done. We just made over $2,000 in under 20 minutes. Wow. Today's trade's done, so I'm going to log it into my journal. And if you want the exact journaling template that I use, just DM us on Instagram. You have to follow and DM us on Instagram, Tradex Journal, and I'll send the free version to you, and later you can upgrade. And also, again, all this analysis, daily bias, and the news updates are posted on my Discord server. Join in, network, and grow with other traders. Yeah, it's not just about trading alone. It's about growing as a team. And if you're tired of guessing, following signals, or stuck in the noise, start following a system. Create your own edge, that strategy, that formula that fits into your lifestyle, whether you're into college, whether you're going to college, or whether you're doing a 9-to-5 job or you're a full-time trader. This formula will help you get to that level, to the next level of the trader you always wanted to be. And the link's in the description box below. The Tradex entry formula has helped me and the overall Tradex stay consistent and hit 6 figures over the past few months. And if you want to go ahead and check it out, it's all documented on our YouTube channel. And yeah, if you're ready to take this seriously, click the link in the description and I'll see you on the inside. And make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell and comment your trades that you took on this week. And I've got more BTC and crypto videos coming up very soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.